Hey guys, hope you are all doing well during this quarantine time. I just wanted to quickly hop on here to issue my warning about snacking during quarantine amidst this coronavirus craziness. Now, this is super raw. I have barely put on any makeup. I have no skin makeup on. I think that this idea is very, very important to share with you guys. Now, a lot of people, millions of people are sitting at home and they've been quarantined, and I don't even want to go into my 2 cents about the coronavirus, but we all have to take necessary precautions to stay safe and keep other people safe, and with that comes sitting at home. Now, for me personally, when I sit at home, I tend to eat a lot more because I'm more bored, or I just have access to the kitchen. If you guys watched my how to lose 20 kilograms in 2020 video, I mentioned that the reason why I gained basically 13 kilograms was because I broke my foot and I stayed at home for 4 months. So I was under basically a quarantine since I physically could not walk, and I was at home most of the time for 4 months. I did not move, and because I was really bored, I would eat a lot more. I would just be down because, I can't walk, my foot is broken, I want to go out, but I can't. So all of these situations are basically mirroring the situation that we're all in right now. And based on my past mistakes, based on my personal experience, I really just want to shout this from the rooftops. Please be careful with what you are eating during these times. I know that these times are incredibly difficult for absolutely every single person on this earth. This is such a unique situation. But just know that even if this ends in a couple of months or in 1 year, you will come out of it and either be really happy with the time that you gave yourself under this quarantine that is really needed for the earth right now, or you're going to be like, what have I done? And I really don't want you to be in that situation, because you're not able to get these times back. As bleak as they are right now, as depressing as all of this situation is for a lot of people, I strongly suggest to make the most of it, because quarantine or not, you're not going to be able to get this time back. So I would fully take advantage of this situation and turn it into a positive. Delving deeper into that, it's very dangerous to be sitting at home in a bad mental state and looking to snacks for answers. You know what I mean? Especially with no movement. So I really want to give you guys 2 suggestions that will ease yourself into this process of healthy eating. I strongly suggest to do at-home workouts, 20 to 40 minutes every single day. It doesn't have to be for a very long time. My suggestion is Blogilates. When I used to be really self-conscious about going to the gym in high school, I would do her exercises on a daily basis. You will not believe the massive difference it will make if you set yourself a challenge to do an exercise, a video per day on the Blogilates YouTube channel. If you know that there's something that makes you even happier to do, by all means, go and do that. But this is just an example, something that I am setting myself as a challenge to do, because I'm worried. I don't want to gain weight. It really helps for your mental space as well. You just feel so much better when you exercise. There's a release of endorphins. You feel like you've been productive. So I just could not stress this enough, guys. Do some form of exercise when you're under quarantine. Number 2, hide your snacks. Hide your husband, hide your wife, and hide your snacks, because snacks and eating, even more important than exercising, will be the death of you. Not literally. Having snacks will be detrimental if you have them too much. I personally, I'm going to be real with you, I'm going to be raw with you. It is hard for me to not eat, especially when I'm at home. I am trying so hard to just make a lot of coffee to curb my appetite. I've been drinking a lot of green tea with lemon, admittedly with 1 teaspoon of honey. I mean, obviously take this with a grain of salt as well. Every single metabolism is different. But generally, when you don't move, you're going to gain weight if you eat and you're in a caloric surplus, or even a normal caloric, intake, that can sometimes happen. So please exercise and limit your quarantine snacks. If you have fruit at home, reach out for the fruit. Have your 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and have fruits in between, and coffee, and lots of water, and exercise 20 to 30 to 40 minutes every single day. And trust me, you're going to get through this. You're going to have a healthier body. You're going to have a healthier mind instead of just sitting like a potato, not doing anything and feeling much worse. I know this is such simple advice and so easy, but take this in the angle of me actually going through this for 4 months, not moving. So I'm gonna go. Please, if you have any questions, DM me. If you want to comment down below, I answer every single comment. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video, and please stay healthy. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.